I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings, no? Let's check the energy kung ano pong nangyayari sa buhay-buhay, sa paligid-ligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, no? So whenever you see the video, that message is meant to find you. So parang sinasabi dito, kailangan meron ng magsalita, no? Whether this is you, whether this is your person, it felt like merong mga bagay, no? Mga word na hindi sinasabi, ayaw sabihin, parang feeling nila hindi pa time. Nakakakita din tayo dito yung expression na, no, it could also be the act of also apologizing and an act of giving the other person some attention, affection. So it kind of make me feel na meron talagang pagdadamot, no? Ang nakakainis lang kung ikaw yung taong nag-aantay, no, doon sa kanilang action, sa kanilang move. Medyo nakakainit, 'di ba? With the 3 of coins. So parang iniisip natin, masaya naman akong kasama, masaya din naman siyang kasama. You're correct about that. I feel like both of you are enjoying each other's company. Kaso may nakikita tayo ditong parang bubog o may balakid. It felt like it could be an ex, no? It could be yung person mo ngayon. I'm still checking on their ex, or baka ikaw naman ang merong ex, no? So parang you're not sure yet kasi someone here is waiting for reconciliation. So parang meron ding takot, baka mangyari to uli sa akin. With the Hanged Woman, the 6 of Swords, and the 7 of Swords. So parang it felt like kasi okay yung samahan, no? Okay yung connection. Pero meron nang nagtatanong dito na saan kami papunta, no? Meron nang nagtatanong dito na may pag-asa ba, no? Baka mamaya niloloko lang ako, or sabihin natin nag-aaksaya ako ng panahon, hindi naman siguro niloloko, pero sinasabi natin, yeah, baka nag-aantay lang ako sa wala, no? Syempre, kahit sinong tao, ayaw naman mag-aksaya ng time dahil time is gold. Hindi mo yan maibabalik, di ba? Yung pera pwede pang kitain. Yung time, once na nagawa mo na, hindi mo na pwedeng balikan, di ba? So, with the High Priestess and the Ace of Swords, so tama naman yung hinala mo. Meron namang emotion dito. The thing here is, kasi may problema din si person at yung ex, no? Kasi parang walang closure, pinaasa, so nahihirapan din yung taong mag-move forward, nahihirapan din yung taong either maghanap ng iba, mag-try ng iba, i-open yung sarili nila sa iba, pero meron ng wante, no? I think that someone here plays mind games because of the Hierophant na sabihin nating I want you to be stuck in there. Kasi the Hierophant has two pillars, right? The J and the B, the light and the dark. So, still balancing, wala pang move, but I am in this situation of wanna make a move sana, so I am contemplating, no? What am I gonna do? But so far, wala pa namang, since wala pang clarity, no? Um, I I also do not want to waste my time, no? Baka mamaya mag-explore ako then babalik, sayang din, no? So, meron din talagang, yeah, on that part, medyo nag-mirror yung energy ninyo na ikaw ayaw mo mag-antay sa wala. Siya naman ayaw niya magsimula sa isang bagay na baka mamaya masisira lang din, no? Sayang yung time, effort, energy, tapos mag-i-invest ng emotion and then all of a sudden, siya pa magiging masama kasi someone here needs to really let go of someone, no? So, it's much better. So, parang nagpe-play safe, no? Itong person mo. With the Devil card, the Fool card, and the Eight of Wands, one of the factors here is also the age gap, no? Age gap may be a May-December love affair. It may not be. Baka konti lang. Or, if we're not talking about the numbers, the maturity of the person, kasi nga, the person, dapat nagmo-move forward na siya pero hindi niya ginagawa. So someone here is not on their logical thinking, no? Kasi parang ang nangyayari sa kanya, ginagawa niya sa'yo. Parehas kayo dun sa part na nag-aantay din sa wala, no? See, meron kayong energies dito na matching. Iba lang yung atake, no? Iba lang yung how you perceive things. The Devil card is clarified by the King of Wands and the Star. So, I think meron na ditong umamin and I feel like this is you. Kung hindi man ito pag-amin in verbal form, ipinapakita ito through actions, no? Nandun na yung care, nandun na yung sabihin nating, I'm even showing everything to you, I'm even, parang doing some extra mile for you, no? The Eight of Wands, let's clarify. The Six of Coins and the Judgment. Kasi parang ang nakikita natin dito, somewhat, nag-iwan ng promises yung ex nitong person mo, and then, kaya hindi siya makamove. So, nag-iwan din naman ng promises itong person na I'm going to wait for you. Pero in reality, wala namang nangyayari. I feel like the communication line is even hindi na ganon ka-consistent. So, somewhat may connection pa din, of course. But the love is not there anymore with the Princess of Cups. I feel like you are very ready, no, for a committed relationship. Kasi ang lumalabas dito, ikaw pa yung kapag pinasok mo to, ikaw pa yung magiging kabet, ikaw pa yung magiging rebound, ikaw pa yung nang-agaw. So, you might also want to parang dahan-dahanin, ano? That's just my 2 cents in here. Kasi hindi natin alam ang takbo ngayon, no? So far. Lalo na kapag they are still connected at naging okay. So, ikaw ang lalabas ngayon na third party, which is, di ba, hindi naman talaga. Kasi the person is also somewhat, meron na rin, parang inopen niya na yung pinto of moving forward, hindi lang siya baka apak. So, I open the door, I'm seeing you from afar. So, imagine this, no? Nasa loob ako ng bahay ko, and yung bahay na ito is the relationship, no? So, dati dito lang umiikot ang mundo ko. Now, I open the door. Gusto ko sana, no? Nakita kita. You're outside of the house. So, nakikita na kita in my peripheral, no? Gusto ko sanang itry. Pero, this house is stopping me from making a move. I hope that makes sense, no? The 10 of Coins, the Strength card, actually, meron na siyang feelings, eh. Kailangan siguro meron tong isa sa kanila, meron dapat magkamali para magkaroon na ng separation, or isa dapat magkaroon ng lakas ng loob with loob. Loob with the Two of Coins and the Emperor. I think that this person is going to make a decision very, very soon with the Two of Coins kasi kumagat na sa kanya yung idea na merong nag-aantay sa akin sa labas, no? Wala naman tao dito sa bahay. Makikita ba niya ito, no? So, I think that this person is just holding on to the morality, the palabra de honor. Pero yung puso niya, somewhat nakikita ka na, no? Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check sa mga susunod na readings kung anong mangyayari, no? So if you have some questions with the reading and you want to book a personal reading, there's a link sa description box, or even want to ask a question lang, maybe not a personal reading. So click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign now. Pwedeng ito ang sun sign ng iyong person, or pwedeng lumabas ang sign sa kanyang mga chart. Pwede rin lumabas ang zodiac sign mo, no? I'm seeing Aries, Taurus, Leo, Virgo. I'm seeing Aquarius, Capricorn. I'm seeing Sagittarius. Of course, Aries is here. I am seeing Scorpio. Scorpio is very dominant. Magkatabi pa halos, no? Gemini, Libra. So yan. That is your reading. Thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.